Welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this gear cover. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this gear cover. So here I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0 RC2, and I hope you have this FreeCAD version 1.0. If you have not it, then go to the freecad.org, install it. So let's start our tutorial. I will close this file and create a new file. So here I have created a new file. First thing which I will do is insert body, and I will on my origin plane, and we will read our drawing. And if you see our drawing, so we will create our first sketch on a right plane. So we will select this YZ plane and click on the sketch, and we will go to the model tab and off the origin plane. And now we will select the polyline tool. So click on the polyline, and we will create a rough profile. So this is the rough profile. Let me move my icons so that I can get more space. Now, so this is the 115, so I will select this line, and in FreeCAD 1.0 all dimension are here combined in a one. So here I want horizontal dimension, so I will give the horizontal dimension 115, and vertical dimension is also 115. You can directly click on here so that FreeCAD automatically detect whether it is a vertical dimension or horizontal dimension. So give it 115, and this one is of 25, and we will give this angle which is of 45. And now here you can see that our sketch is fully constrained, so we will come out of the sketch, go to the task and close it. Now the next feature is to extrude this profile. We will switch to the isometric, select the sketch, click on extrude, and here we will give the value 130, and click on symmetric to the plane, click on OK. And now here is a fillet, so we will give the fillet of a 65. So I will select these two edges by pressing the control key and click on the fillet, and here is a fillet of a 65, so we will give 64.99 and click on OK. And now we will rotate our model, and we will remove the material because this is the hollow from the inside. So I will select this face and click on the shell tool, thickness, and here I will provide the thickness value of 5 mm, and click on OK. Bottom face, and we will project the geometry. Let's switch to the flat lines, and now we have selected this outer face, so we will click on this project geometry, select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Now we will create a profile equal to this. Select a 3-point arc, select this point and this one, click on close, go with it, and select up to face and select this face and click on OK. So when I did the first time, I was seeing some face here, which was a graphical issue. Now press 0 for isometric, and here we will create a datum plane at a distance of 5 mm. So we will select this face and click on the datum plane, and in a Z directions we will provide the value of 5 mm. Click on OK, and on this face we will create this tab. Now here is a blue tick, so we will rebuild it and select this datum plane and click on the sketch, and we will go to the model tab and hide the datum plane. Click on the project geometry and project this edge, switch to the flat lines, and here I will create a rectangle. We will delete this and select 3-point, and we will provide the tangency, tangent and tangent, and from here we will switch to the wireframe, and we will make this symmetric. So here is the symmetricity constraint. Select this point and this axis, and from this point to this center point we will provide the vertical dimension of 70 mm. We will move it, and this one is of 26, and this one is of 30. So here the dimension which is 70 I am given, it is not from here, it is from the this edge. So we will click on the project geometry and project this edge, and now I will select this and this and provide the vertical dimension of 70 mm. Now from here we will switch to the flat lines, and we will create this extrusion which will be up to face of this bottom one. So I will come out of the sketch, select the sketch, click on extrude, and from here select up to face, and we will select this bottom face as our end condition. Click on OK, press 0. Now here is a hole, so we will select this face and click on the sketch, and you can see that FreeCAD set this face normal. So we will click on this project geometry and project this edge, select the circle, and from here select this point and this point, and provide the vertical constraint. Edit sketch. And this is of 60 mm, and diameter of the 70. Click on close, and we will switch to the flat lines, and we will remove the material. Select the sketch, click on extrude cut, click on OK. We can also use the through all, no issue. And now we will create this tab here. So we will select this bottom face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, we will project this edge, click on the project geometry, rotate our model, and now also click on project geometry and project this edge, and here we will select a 3-point arc, create an equal arc with respect to our projected arc. Now create a line, and this is horizontal, this is horizontal. Select a 3-point arc, select this and this, and set it tangent. Select this and this, set it tangent, and this is of diameter 26, so we will prefer to give the radius, which is of 13, and we will select horizontal dimension. Select this and this, and provide the dimension of 82.5. Now let's see what is the unconstrained. So if you see that this is the unconstrained, because we will make this point and this point will have the horizontal relation. Click on close, and we will create a pad of 10 mm. We are not seeing anything here, so we will click on reverse and click on OK. And now we will mirror this on the other side, so we will select this pad and click on the mirror, and from here we will click option of select reference, and we will select this mid plane, and here click on transform body. You can see that our feature is got mirror. We will set OK. Now press 0 for isometric view, and now we will create a hole of 10.5. Select the face, click on the sketch. So here is a 10.5 drill, so we will click on the project geometry. We can also make with a hole feature, but as it is a drill hole, so I will make with a material removal feature. Select smart dimension and provide it 10.5. Click on OK. Select the sketch, click on extrude cut, say it through all, say OK. Now select the face and click on the sketch. Click on project geometry and project this to arc. Select circle. Now select this and made it equal. Select a smart dimension and give it 10.5. Click on close. Select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. And here is a common fillet of R3 which you can provide on this edge. So I will select this edge, this one, and this edge. Select fillet. It is a 2.5, but we will queue it around to 3. Let's see. Click on OK. You can provide the fillet to the inside like we have provided outside. So this is all about this tutorial, how to model this gear cover in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.